Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I basically checked my tires. Oh my goodness. So as I told you guys, maybe was it a month ago or so, 2 months ago, I had let you guys know that my inner outer tie rod is bad, my axle is bad, and this video is basically the results of not getting the problem solved or not getting the problem fixed. That this will happen, this will basically happen to you. So I'm gonna come out of the vehicle and I'm gonna show you guys how my tires look. If it's not a month ago, maybe 2 months ago, I had basically changed my tie rods on the passenger side, and the axle on that side is no good as well. But I'm going to show you guys the difference of with one of them actually fixed and the other one is actually bad. So the driver's side is the worst side. And anyways, let me come out the vehicle and show you. And this is my Avalon 2008 Toyota Avalon that I'm going to show you guys. Stay tuned. Alright, so here we are. Look at this right here. See that? That's the making of the tire. That means the tire is done. It is wearing more on the inside than the middle area. The outer layer is wearing as well. It's bad. It's not good. It's just getting smooth, but it's bad. I can't really drive on this. I don't even trust driving this on the highway. And I'm gonna turn the wheel to show you guys. I didn't even notice it until today. I didn't notice it until today. So let me turn the wheel. That's why it's very important to actually pay attention to your vehicle. It's very important to pay attention to your vehicle. All right, so here we are. On this side, it's not too, like down here, it's not too bad. It's bad. Regardless, it's bad. And it's gonna keep on getting worse the more I drive the vehicle. And as you can see, let me get some light. As you can see, it's wearing more on the inner side, all worn. That means this tire is about to pop anytime, any minute. The more I drive on it, it's just gonna get worse. I'm gonna show you guys the driver side, the passenger side, my bad. Passenger side, you'll see the difference. So the passenger side is not an issue. Not bad at all. It's wearing more on the outer, but it still got life. The tires still have life. It's not all that great or 100% good, but it have life. And as you can see, it's way better than the driver's side. I'm gonna turn the wheel so you can see the other side of it. See? Turn the wheel that way so you guys could see the front of it. There we go. See? Got some life. Got life. So the passenger side is when I had got the tie rods done. I still need an axle for this side as well. But as you can see, this one is not wearing as fast as the driver side. The driver side is the problem, is the main issue. So I already ordered the parts. I already ordered the axle for the driver's side. It's a good brand. I'm gonna give you guys the name of the brand. I think it's man, I can't remember the name, but I'm gonna leave it in the video. That's a good aftermarket brand that I purchased. I purchased it on Walmart online. So passenger side is good, even though I still need an axle no matter what. But I already bought it. I already bought the axle for this side because that's all I had, you know. And I still need to pay to get it. I still need to pay for it. I think it's GSP. I think it's GSP is the name of the brand axle that I bought. I think it's GSP or something like that. Excuse me. But yeah, so that's the issue that I'm having right now. I do have the inner and the outer tie rods. It's just that I'm waiting on the axle to come in the mail. It should be here. It should come on Saturday, and I might just get it done. Even if the other one is bad, yes, the other side is bad, I'd rather get this issue resolved, because no matter what, I'm still going to need to change the tire. Because that tire, I'm not going to be able to do much on this tire. I might just put my spear on for the moment until I get some money again, purchase the axle for the passenger side, and of course get an alignment, because without that, the tires is going to eat up unevenly regardless. Without the alignment, it's going to eat up. So I just got to do what I got to do. You got to be smart. Things are hard right now, I'm not going to lie. Everybody getting ready for the holidays. I know tomorrow is Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to y'all. I might not drop a video tomorrow or whatever the case is, or maybe I drop a food video or something, or food short or whatever. But as for a car video or whatever, I probably might not. But yeah, it sucks. It's sad, but you know, things happen. It's life. Thank God for life. Thank God me going on the highway back and forth, I didn't get no blowouts. So you know, you gotta be thankful. You gotta be thankful indeed. Have to be thankful, you know. So I'm happy, you know, even though I have this little situation. It's not no big deal. The car is still drivable. I still could drive my car, but I will not be going on the highway at all with that, because that could cause a blowout. So I will be looking forward for this weekend to see what I could do, because if I get the axle in on Saturday, and maybe if I could get it installed that same Saturday with the tie rods, I'll go from there. I'll worry about the alignment and the other axle for the other side another time. But as for right now, the driver's side is the issue right now, is the big problem. So I need to tend to that before it gets worse, and I don't even want to drive my car. So we'll see how things turn out to be. I still have a little money on the side, so I have money to at least get it installed, you know. So shouldn't be no big of a deal. I hope you guys have a blessed, safe Thanksgiving and holidays coming up. You know, Thanksgiving and Black Friday, you got to be careful. Well, it's not bad, but you still got to be careful. Even if it was a normal day, you still got to be careful, because nobody know if when they leave their house they're gonna come back to their house guaranteed. Nobody knows. So be safe, be joyful, have a blessed, safe Thanksgiving, a happy Thanksgiving. You know, happy holidays to you guys, because Black Friday is on the way. You know, it's a lot of places have a lot of different sales. So yeah, man, be safe, guys. Have fun. I know a lot of people going to be doing a bunch of Christmas shopping on Black Friday, but tomorrow a lot of people is going to be eating a lot of food, hanging, chilling with friends and families, and just enjoying their life, and be grateful, thankful, thank the Lord, you know, for another day, another beautiful day, you know, for real. But yeah, guys, I'm out of here. Peace. Bye bye. Take care. That's the issue right there. If you having any tie rods issue, axle issue, it will eat up your tire, and it's going to be even worse if your control arm is bad. And that's not even including the control arm is not even including in my issue, or the shocks is an issue. It's just the inner and the outer tie rod and a bad axle. Well, axle on both sides. Usually you're supposed to change the both of them the same time. Some people don't, one be good and the other one be going bad, but most of the time they recommend you to change the both of them the same time. But if you don't got it like that, you got to do what you got to do. Change one and then change the other the next time, and then decide to, when rotate your tires and then get an alignment. Go from there. Things are hard, things are bad right now. Money is not flowing like how we used to. But you got to do what you got to do. But yeah, I just recently renewed my passport, so maybe that's why too. I had take some money out and renew my passport. So we'll be doing a little traveling coming soon. I'm excited and I'm happy. But yeah, I'm happy. I just got to make this bread, get this vehicle fixed so I could get back on my feet, make some bread, make some money, save some money, have some money on the side. But yeah, man, that's the issue right there. That's what will happen if your inner and outer tie rod is bad, your axle is bad. It will eat up your tires. And these tires is not even a year old. It's not even a year old. I didn't show the one in the rear, the one in the back. Those are perfect. Those are good. The one in the rear is good. It's the front, because my vehicle is a front wheel drive. All the powers come from the front. I steer, you go left, you go right, you go straight. All the power, the transmission, all the power is coming from the front. So if anything with your suspension is off or bad, your tires will eat up. As I said, the inner outer tie rods, your shocks. If your control arm is bad, it's going to eat up the tires. Shocks is bad, it will eat up the tires. So just want to put you guys on game. Hope you learned something today. For the people who don't know, well, now you know. If you got to fix something, make your money and tend to it before it's too late. If you're going to end up like a person like me, thank God I didn't get no blowout, but I caught it today, because I've been looking. I haven't been like literally look, but before I be leaving the house, I'll be looking at my tires, and I'll be just looking at the front. And for so far, it been looking good to me until today. I was like, wait, the inner part of the tire is bad. It's actually bad. That is bad, because it could pop any minute, anytime. You just never know. It don't even have no tread. It is starting to see the making of the tire. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, share it out, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. Thank God for life, health, and strength. Peace, bye-bye, take care, and God bless. I am out, for real. Take care, guys. Peace.